All right, so for pigeon, we have the sternum, which is this thick bone right here, which attached to the breast muscles, which I pulled off. Then we have the heart, which is right here. We have the liver, which is actually on two sides. There was a larger lobe on this side originally, and I pulled it out. We have the trachea, which is here. You can see the rings in that. The duodenum, which is the first part of the small intestines after the gizzard. So you can see it connects right here. And the duodenum goes here all the way to this first bend. This is the pancreas right here, which connects the duodenum. This is the gizzard again, and then pancreas, crop, which are these two sacs right here, which a lot of times when we open them up had food that was undigested. Then we have the cloaca, which is the last segment of the digestive system. Just say right there, that's cloaca. Esophagus, which is right between this and the vertebral column here. It's a hollow tube. And then we have the lungs. Right here, there's one on this side, and then there's one on this side. Then we have kidneys, which have 3 lobes. You can see one lobe there, and one down here. Then we have the jejunum, which is the middle segment after the duodenum. It's all this that's curled up here. Then we have the ovaries and testes. This one's a female. You can see the beginning of the uterus here, which then leads to the ovaries, which are on either side, right here. That's it.